Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport. Thank you for flying Emirates. We hope you have enjoyed your flight and we look forward to see you again soon.